Hello, and welcome to this program on Lockout, Tagout, Tryout, or Lototo, Safe System of Work.
That damn number 4 conveyor's not running.
Failure to follow standard operating procedures on energy isolation can lead to fatal accidents. In this program, we will explore in detail the steps that must be taken before guards and all safety measures are deactivated in order to stay safe and avoid this kind of serious accident. And so, in this program, we will examine several case studies to highlight where energy isolation is required and the consequences of failing to do so. Then we will take a look at energy isolation principles, roles and responsibilities, and lockout, tagout devices. Then, finally, we will examine the key steps of this procedure, looking at Lototo, initial steps, Lototo, isolation, and Lototo, return to operation.